So we will go by a bit pictorial way. Yes. So this is the pictorial way. We are told that tangent at any point and tangent at the major axis will cut at a point t dash t. Then if we take a diameter t dash s diameter, there will be a circle, okay? A circle with t dash as a diameter. Then this will pass through focus. This is what we have to prove. So now it's time to prove. We know the equation or standard equation of tangent, which is y equals to mx plus. So we are taking the plus part. It is plus minus root under a square m square plus b square. We are taking only plus part. So this is what x equals to minus a, x equals to a. So this point will come out to be x is a, y is what? X is minus a, y is minus ma plus root under a square m square plus b square. And this point will be coming out to be a ma plus root square into a square m square plus b square. So what should we do? If the end point of diameter is known, the equation of circle will come out to be, this is equation of tangent. Equation of circle will be x plus a into x minus a plus y minus y plus ma minus root under a square m square plus b square into y minus ma minus root a square m square plus b square. So we can find this is x square minus a square. So it is saying that the circle should be passing through focus. Okay. So we'll take y equals to 0. At this point y is 0. So if we put y equals to 0, it is ma minus root under a square m square plus b square, and this is y equals to 0, it is minus common ma plus root under a square m square plus b square equals to 0. This is a minus b into a plus b, which is a square minus b square. This will cancel. This is x square minus a square equals to 0. So we have x square minus a square plus b square. B square is a square. 1 minus e square. So this one will get cancelled. X square equals to a square e square. So x is what? Plus minus a. So this is the point of focus. Hence proved